Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at replacing your crankshaft position sensor in your 2004 Nissan Altima. It's the 4-cylinder. Let's check it out. Okay guys, and here we are under the car. You can see the exhaust is right here, your axle's right here, and then I believe that's the wire. What I'm doing is I'm taking my arm, I'm sticking it up through here, and then you can see my hand is on the extension right there. Boom. Focus camera. There we go. So I've got my left hand on it right there, and I've put my arm up through here, and then I take my right hand, and hopefully you guys can see this. I take my right hand and get it on there, and that's how I'm able to access the crank sensor. So it's the hole right there. I stick my right hand through, and my body is laying long ways with the car like that. I've got jacked up really securely. So this is how I've been able to replace the crank sensor from this position. So that's it. Okay guys, and then when you get to swing down, you go ahead and this green thing will be up. You just push it down, and then you'll be able to pull this guy out like that. Then you're gonna put your new one in, get your connector pushed back up, and then once you've got your connector attached, you'll just stick that guy back in and then put your tin back in, and that's it.